So this is Ambrane 1.5 meter long USB-C type cable, and as you can see, this is the cable what we got, and this is quite a durable cable. It has armor protection, so it's not break easily. Well, we have one side USB-A and another side is USB-C. So today we have a power bank and a cell phone, so we're gonna charge through power bank to cell phone. And also we have here 65 watt charger which can charge it by super focus mode. So this is a power brick of my Realme phone, and it's supposed to charge in 65 watts. Charging, so it's charging normally, although I connected it to a fast charger. This 65 watt charger, it's supposed to charge in super focus mode, but as you can see, it's charged normally just like a 18 watt charger.